Hello all and welcome to my next video. First, we'll go into my course and then click on turn editing on. If you have this disabled, you're supposed to click here. Today, we are going to learn how to create an assignment. Now, you can click here to go for all of the activities and resources. The first one today we are going to learn is assignment. In assignment, these are the details which tells you how you can upload the assignment question and student can respond to it. Now let me click add button so it will be added. It asks me some of the basic information regarding my assignment. Now let us create an assignment base for tutorial questions today. So I'll just write down tutorials. Okay. Now my description will be all of the questions. Okay. So I'm going to write down submit your answers here. Now once I do this, here I can drag and drop the files or I can upload the files. So let me go back. I'll go and upload my tutorial question file. You can also drag and drop files that we have seen in previous video. Now I'll give the date, that is tomorrow, so you can give your customized date. You can also give a customized submission date here. If you want an extended period to given to students, you can add cutoff date. This is a date which I specify mention for me to remind all of these activities to be graded by that date. Okay, here this is an option to answer given by student. For example, here if I select file submission, student will be able to upload file. If I select online text, student can write down here an answer. I can also put word limit, generally used in most of the descriptive questions. I can select number of files based on a question. So one approach is ask students to upload a file based on each one file for each question, or ask them to create a combined file. This is a very interesting option that we generally use, where I can select which type of files students should be able to upload. Okay, generally for assignment I can allow students to submit a document file or image file. Some of the languages also required to be submitted on audio and format files, so you can choose accordingly. Now you can also mention your grades here. So if your assignment is for some 50 marks, 70 marks, or whatever the grading that you want to give, there's also one option that I want you to go through, that is called as activity completion. Here you can select a particular condition that student should complete the activity by this date, or they should get an some kind of grading in this, or student should be able to view this activity, so you can give. There is also competency option we are not going to go for, but this can also be used. So now let me click on save and display, and it will be displayed. In this display I will be able to see the details regarding this. So how many participants are there, how many have submitted, and then later once students submit their assignment, we can go and click here, and you can, or you can to see all the submissions, or you can click here and grade them. Now let me show you how this has been displayed in my course. There is one more option. See here, the tutorial assignment has been displayed. Sometimes we don't use a date wise. Instead of that, we generally from here hide the assignment. This is another option where we can hide the assignment. We can enable it once it has been required by clicking show, and again we can hide it again, so that student will be able to do submissions. Okay, my preference is to go to timely manner and this both, because there is some kind of tweaking is possible there. So that's it for today. This is how we can create an assignment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.